In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort month-by-month number in Power BI. If you've ever built a report and noticed your month showing up alphabetically, April before February, September at the end, you're not alone. By default, Power BI sorts text alphabetically, which isn't what we want for calendar sequences. The fix is quick and reliable. We'll tell Power BI to sort the month name column by a month number column, so it follows the proper January to December order. Start by heading to the table view in Power BI. This is where you can see your data laid out in rows and columns, which makes it easy to pick the exact field you need. In your table, click the month name column to highlight it. It's important that you actually select the column in the data grid or the fields pane. Once you do, you'll notice a new set of options appear in the ribbon at the top called Column Tools. If you don't see Column Tools, it usually means no column is selected yet, so just click the month name column again. With the month name column selected and column tools visible, look for the Sort by Column option in that tab. Click it and a drop-down will appear listing all the columns in the same table. Choose month number. This tells Power BI to use the numeric month order, 1 through 12, as the sorting logic behind your month name text. And there you go. From this point on, anywhere you use month name in your visuals, the model will respect the month sequence defined by the month number. If your visual is still not in the order you expect, make sure the visual itself is set to sort ascending and that it's sorting by the month name field. Also confirm that the month number column is in the same table as month name, is a whole number data type, and maps 1-to-1 with each month. If the sort by column option is grayed out, double check that you have the month name column selected and that month number isn't blank or duplicated for the same month name. A quick tip. This technique assumes you already have a month number column available. It should simply be numbers 1 to 12. If your report spans multiple years, consider using a more granular sort key, like year month number, to keep months in the right order across years. That's all you need to get clean, chronological month sorting in Power BI. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.